Hello, everyone. Today, I am excited to talk about Percy Jackson and the Olympians, a novel series that I loved reading back in grade 8. It's not just about gods and monsters, it's about diversity, inclusion, and embracing who you are. Through its characters and themes, Percy Jackson reflects the real world. It teaches us the power of acceptance and the strength in our differences. Let us explore how the series celebrates diversity and why it resonates with so many other readers. To begin with, let's define what we mean by diversity and inclusion in literature. Diversity refers to the presence of different genders, races, abilities, cultures, and identities in storytelling. Inclusion goes a step further. It talks about ensuring these groups that are represented authentically, respectfully, and in ways that truly matter. But why is this important? Literature is a mirror of our world, and when it reflects the full spectrum of human experiences, it helps us better understand the world we live in. Diverse stories foster empathy by allowing readers to step into the lives of people who are different from themselves. They challenge stereotypes, break down barriers, and they open minds. Moreover, representation in literature empowers marginalized groups. It tells them that their stories matter and their voices are heard and their identities are valid. This is why diversity and inclusion they aren't just buzzwords, they're essential to creating a more equitable and compassionate world. As we explore Percy Jackson and the Olympians, we'll explore how this series embraces these principles and why it stands out as a perfect example of inclusive storytelling. Now, let us take a closer look at Percy Jackson and the Olympians. Written by Rick Riordan, this series falls under the genre of young adult and fantasy. It consists of five books starting with The Lightning Thief in 2005 and concluding with The Last Olympian in 2010. The series has been a global phenomenon, selling over 180 million copies worldwide, making it one of the best selling books of all time, and personally, my favorite. It has also received numerous accolades. Its impact extends far beyond the books. It's been translated into 42 languages and has inspired two major motion pictures, a Broadway musical, and a Disney TV Plus series adaptation. But what truly sets this series apart is the celebration of its diversity. Percy Jackson, the protagonist, has ADHD and dyslexia, traits that are portrayed as strengths rather than weaknesses. This positive representation, combined with the series' humor, action, and heart, has made it a beloved favorite for readers of all age. So, I'll be explaining the storyline in a very short way. At the heart of Percy Jackson and the Olympian series is its relatable and inspiring protagonist, Percy Jackson. Percy is a 12-year-old boy with ADHD and dyslexia who discovers that he is no ordinary kid. He's the son of Poseidon, the Greek god of the sea. After learning about his divine heritage, Percy joins Camp Half Blood, a safe haven for demigods like him. There, he befriends Annabeth, the daughter of Athena, and Grover, a loyal satyr. Together, they embark on the thrilling quest to stop Titan Kronos from destroying the gods and taking the world over. Across the five books, Percy battles terrifying monsters and solves ancient prophecies, uncovers secrets about his destiny as a demigod. His journey is packed with action and humor, keeping readers hooked from start to finish. In the final book, Percy leads the demigods in an epic battle to defend Mount Olympus, the home of the gods. He defeats Kronos, fulfills his destiny, and saves the world from destruction. But beyond the action and adventure, this series is a celebration of friendship, courage, and embracing your own identity. Percy's struggles with ADHD and dyslexia are portrayed as strengths, not weaknesses, sending a powerful message about self acceptance and reliance. This is why Percy Jackson remains a timeless adventure for readers of all age. There are various themes and representations of diversity in Percy Jackson that I shall be discussing further. One of the most remarkable aspects of this book is the celebration of ethnic diversity. The series features characters from a wide range of backgrounds, making it a reflection of our diverse world. Let us start with Percy, the protagonist. His father, he is biracial. His father is the Greek god Poseidon, and his mother, Sally Jackson, is an American mortal. This mixed heritage not only marks Percy unique but also symbolizes the blending of two worlds, the divine and the mortal. Next, we have Annabeth Chase, the daughter of Athena. Annabeth is blonde, intelligent, and fiercely capable, challenging the tired stereotype of the dumb blonde. Her character shows that strength and intelligence come in all forms, breaking down biases and inspiring readers. Then there's Grover Underwood, a satyr and Percy's loyal best friend. Grover represents mythical and cultural diversity, bridging the gap between human and mythological worlds. His character adds a layer of fantasy diversity, reminding us that differences can be magical. This series also includes Charles Beckendorf, an African American demigod and the son of Hephaestus Beckendorf, is a skilled blacksmith and a natural leader. He showcases racial diversity and the importance of representation. His character is also a testament to strength, loyalty, and craftsmanship. Finally, we have Ethan Nakamura, a Japanese American demigod and the son of Nemesis. Ethan's character highlights the struggles of feeling overlooked and underrepresented. His journey adds depth to the story and showing how diversity isn't just about inclusion but also about addressing the challenges that come with it. Through these characters, Percy Jackson teaches us that our differences are what makes us strong. It's a series that celebrates diversity in all its forms, making it a relatable and empowering for readers from all walks of life. Another groundbreaking aspect of this book is the portrayal of neurodiversity. The series reimagines traits like ADHD and dyslexia as superpowers. Percy Jackson, the protagonist, has ADHD and dyslexia. In the human world, these traits made school a struggle. He was labeled as a troublemaker and always felt out of place. But at Camp Half Blood, everything changes. At camp, Percy's ADHD keeps him alert and quick thinking, allowing him to read ancient Greek, a crucial skill for demigods. These traits, once seen as weaknesses, become his greatest strengths. Percy isn't alone. Many demigods at Camp Half Blood share similar neurodivergent traits, normalizing diversity and showing that it is a valuable part of their identity. Through Percy's journey, the series teaches us that what society calls weaknesses can be unique strengths. It's a celebration of neurodiversity that resonates with the readers and reminds us that our differences are what makes us extraordinary. Another way this book stands out is through its traditional gender roles. The series features strong, multifaceted female characters who defy stereotypes and prove that girls can be just as heroic as boys. Let us start with Annabeth Chase, the daughter of Athena. Annabeth is a brilliant and strategist and a skilled warrior. She's not just Percy's love interest, she's his equal, often outsmarting him and saving the day. Annabeth shatters the damsel in distress trope, showing that intelligence and strength are not mutually exclusive. Next, we have Clarice Leroux, daughter of Ares. Clarice is fierce, fearless, and unapologetically bold. She challenges the stereotypes of femininity with her aggressive and competitive personality, proving that the girls can be just as tough and determined as boys. Finally, there's Thalia Grace, the daughter of Zeus. Thalia is a natural leader and a powerful demigod. As the leader of Hunters of Artemis, she embodies female independence and strength, showing that girls don't need to rely on anyone to be heroes. Through characters like these, Percy Jackson breaks down traditional gender roles and sends a powerful message. Girls can be strong, smart, and heroic. It's a celebration of female empowerment that resonates with readers of all ages. And one of the most impactful aspects of the expanded Percy Jackson universe is its LGBTQ plus representation, particularly through the character of Nico D'Angelo. Nico is the son of Hades, a brooding and complex character who struggles with the feelings of isolation and self doubt. Throughout this journey, Nikos is one of self discovery. In the House of Hades, he comes out as gay, making him one of the first openly LGBTQ plus characters in Rick Riordan's books. His story is handled with care and authenticity, exploring the challenges of accepting one's identity in a world that often feels unwelcoming. Nico's relationship with Will Solis, a son of Apollo, adds depth to his character. Will is cheerful, compassionate, and deeply supportive, providing a stark contrast to Nico's darker personality. Their relationship is portrayed as natural and heartfelt, showing that love transcends boundaries, that everyone deserves to be loved for who they are. Nico's Nico's journey is also sending a powerful message to readers. It's okay to be who you are. This representation is a vital step forward in making literature more reflective of the diverse world we live in. Percy Jackson and the Olympians is just more than a fantasy series. It's a powerful reflection of our world and its diversity. Through its characters and themes, the series addresses real world issues like identity, acceptance, belonging, showing that our differences are what makes us strong. The impact of this series on readers is profound. For neurodivergent readers, Percy's portrayal of ADHD and dyslexia is empowering. For LGBTQ plus readers, characters like Nico D'Angelo provide much needed representation and validation. And for readers from diverse and ethnic backgrounds, characters like Annabeth, Grover, and Beckendorf reflect their own experiences and identities. Beyond representation, Percy Jackson encourages empathy and understanding. By stepping into the shoes of characters from different backgrounds, readers learn to appreciate and celebrate diversity. The series inspires readers to embrace their uniqueness, stand up for what's right, and believe in their own potential to be heroes. In a world that often feels divided, Percy Jackson reminds us that our differences are our greatest strengths. It's a celebration of diversity, a call for inclusivity, and a timeless story that continues to resonate with readers of all ages. The core message of Percy Jackson has always been that difference is strength. There is power in plurality, as said by Rick Riordan. The things that distinguish us from one another are often our marks of individual greatness. You should never judge someone by how well they fit your preconceived notions. Thank you. My name is Tanvi Khanna and my enrollment number is 22103289. Thank you.